Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. This week's installations include Chatty Baby and Tiny Chatty Baby, released by Mattel in 1962 and 1963, respectively. The second installation for this week is for Reproduction Chatty Cathy by Ashton Drake in a collaboration with Mattel, released in 2004. She has a pull string and she says similar phrases as the original Chatty Cathy. However, this doll also requires 3 AAA batteries to work. The third installation this week is for 8.5-inch Joanne by Heidi Plusczok, released in 2003. Joanne has a papier-mâché head and a stockinette body. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.